Hey guys, we're in the car here and I just got this new charging cable and I'm really excited to try this out. So on one end, this goes into your 12-volt adapter, like a cigarette style adapter in your car. And the other end can plug into a wide variety of different power banks. And there's actually two different plugs on here, so it's really versatile. It also has two extra fuses in here. There's a fuse built in for safety, and I like that it comes with two extras just in case. So like I said, on the one end, there is this 12-volt adapter. There's actually an LED on here, so you can see when you're charging. That's really cool. And on the other end is the plug. So like I said, there's this plug here, and then if you pull this off, you have another plug. So that gives you a lot of versatility for charging. So here I've got my little Jackery, and you can see here's the charging port for it. So let's try this one and see if that fits. That doesn't fit, so we'll go ahead and try the other one. That fits. That's awesome. So now we'll just get this thing charging. We're just going to turn on the car here, and look at that. We're charging. You can see by the blue light here, and also the LED down on the cable. So this thing charges really quick. I've actually tested this, and I'm really happy with the performance, with the durability of this cable as well. This is actually really nice. It's not chintzy. So I feel really safe using this on any of my electronics. I have to say, I'm really pleased with this, and I think you will be too.